What is going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to crack open a diary. This is in case you forgot the password of yours or you want to snoop into somebody else's. This one is my sister. I'm not condoning that you snooping. I'm not going to snoop in maybe one page or something. I'm just joking, guys, but I'm going to show you guys how to crack the diary. Stay tuned. So if you have one of these 3-pin combination locks on your diary, or 4, don't matter what it is, you're able to crack the code as long as you follow these instructions. Okay, so if you look really closely, you'll be able to spot this. Be able to see that there's little spaces above each thing, and this is a flaw that will let you be able to crack the pin. So yes, it might be a little hard. Maybe you want to turn on your phone flash or something to see it better, you know what I mean? But you guys see that little space above it? This is what you want to look out for. So when you turn the combination, you'd be able to see a little notch on it. So this first one's definitely 7. And let me try and show you guys this notch a little better. As you guys can see, it looks pretty smooth around there, but this first one, you can see there's like a defect on it, and that's not a defect. That is literally telling you the code. So even if they switch it, you can check. Now, I think this diary, you open it through here, but maybe even if you pull it down, you probably could see these codes even more. This one is very visible. See that little white thing above it? So yeah, let's go crack the code. So yeah, just look out for it, and you'd be able to see a little notch. Make sure that faces forward. As you can see, the first notch is at 7. I know it's a little hard to see, but you can tell something's up with that. So we're about to find out this pin. Hey, it's moving it. Well, we know it's 7. All right, I see another notch over there. Check out how it looks for 8 or 9. You don't see any defect right there. For 7, there's another one. And this one's already at 7. And I think, I could see the notch over there. So whichever way it is. There we go. So yeah, that's how you open up a diary. And yeah, this is page 1. Maybe I might show a sneak peek of page 2, but that ain't good. So yeah, guys, in case you're one of those parents that want to check your daughter's diary, or, you know, lost the password to your old childhood diary and you found it in the attic, this is how you make sure that you can check out your password without having to like snip this thing off or anything, you understand? And here's a close-up of what I'm on about. You see that little line above the 7? If I were to switch that to 5 or anything else, you don't see a little line above it. But when you go to 7, I'm not saying that every combination has it, but the line above it, you see the little notch? You see it over here, that little line above it? If you move it down, you'll probably be able to see it more. And I know you guys see that third one is quite visible. So yeah, look, you see over here, you don't see anything. But for 7, you guys can see that it's just there. So yeah, the pin is 777 for this diary. Sorry, sister. I love you so much, but I gotta show my peoples how to open any diary. Oops, this broke. All right, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. If you find it helpful, stay tuned for more. I have other lockpicking related videos to help you guys, you know, more coming soon. If you want to be a snooper or something, I don't promote it. I'm not condoning it, but being realistic, maybe like 30% of you guys are trying to snoop into somebody else's thing, and the other 69% or whatever the heck it is, 70%, genuinely forgot the password they set when they was like 10 years old. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace.